So we're going to talk about today the Miele Fashion Master. This is an ironing board and a steamer and a lot of other things. Here's the control panel, very easy to use. On button. We had it plugged in, the display would come out right here. Like I said, very easy to use. Water reservoir that you could just pop right out, comes right out, fill it up, no big deal. If you wanted to put it in a closet, it's already in the position to go in a closet. If you come around here, let me show you how this pops out. So you just lift up where the Miele is, and the bottom part pops out. You just drop it down. And lift it up. You get an iron with it, and you also get a steamer with it. I don't have the steamer here, but the steamer looks very similar to the iron without the plate. And you just plug this into the unit, and you can get steam delivered right out of here. The really nice thing about this is that it has two fans underneath that actually will pull steam all the way through. So you can, if you look on the iron, you can move the steam, the fans up or down. So if I want to press a cotton shirt, I would put the fans down and hit the steam, and it would pull everything through, which makes it a lot faster and a lot more efficient. You can change the intensity of the fans. You can use the steam, and you can lock the steam if you want to. And then you can adjust the settings on the iron itself for more delicate or more linens and cottons, which would be less delicate. So if I wanted to do like a wool jacket, cashmere sweater, something like that, I would reverse the fans so it would blow the air up. So I could just hover this over top of that without pushing down and burning any kind of material. So really, really rock solid product, and one of the nicest irons I've ever seen. I've had one for about 6 years and I love it.